Imagine stepping back in time to the first Thanksgiving, where a feast was held to celebrate a successful harvest in the New World. Picture this, the year is 1621. The Plymouth colonists, having survived their first harsh winter, are sharing an autumn harvest feast with the Wampanoag Native Americans. It's a scene of camaraderie, of gratitude, of survival against the odds. Now here's a fun fact. We can't say for sure if turkey was part of this historic meal. But what we do know is that wild turkeys were plentiful in North America, making them a likely candidate for any feast. Over time, this bird with its rich, succulent meat became a symbol of abundance and gratitude, and its presence at the Thanksgiving table became tradition. Thus, the humble turkey began its journey from the wilderness to the centerpiece of American holiday tables. Fast forward to the 19th century, where the turkey started to take center stage in America's holiday traditions. A woman named Sarah Josepha Hale, known widely as the editor of Godey's Ladies' Book, was instrumental in this shift. Her passion for a unified national holiday was unyielding, and for nearly 2 decades, she campaigned persistently. Her vision was clear, a day of thanks, with the turkey at the heart of the feast. Hale's efforts were not in vain. In 1863, amidst the turmoil of the Civil War, President Abraham Lincoln heeded her call. He declared Thanksgiving a national holiday, a beacon of unity in a time of division. The proclamation didn't just give America a day of gratitude, it also solidified the turkey's place in our nation's tradition. And so, with the stroke of a pen, the turkey, this magnanimous bird, became more than just a meal. It became a symbol of American unity and gratitude. In the 20th century, the turkey tradition continued to evolve, reflecting the changing times and tastes of the American people. The development of turkey farming and breeding took center stage, leading to the domestication of the bird on a massive scale. This era also saw the introduction of frozen turkeys, a convenience food that catered to the busy lives of modern Americans. But what about those who chose a meat-free lifestyle? Enter tofurkey, a plant-based alternative that made its debut in the 90s, allowing vegetarians to partake in the festive feast. And let's not forget the annual presidential turkey pardon, a light-hearted tradition that began in the mid-20th century. Each year, 1 or 2 turkeys are spared the Thanksgiving dinner table, symbolizing America's enduring love for this bird. From live bird to frozen dinner, the turkey has adapted to the American way of life, just as we have adapted to it. Today, the turkey continues to be a cherished part of American holiday traditions, connecting us with our past and guiding us into the future. The humble turkey, once a wild bird roaming the forests, has become an enduring symbol of gratitude and togetherness. Its popularity as a holiday dish remains unchallenged, a testament to its deep-rooted place in our culture. Modern chefs and home cooks alike are finding innovative ways to honor this tradition. Whether it's experimenting with new cooking techniques, opting for organic or free-range turkeys, or even serving vegan alternatives, the spirit of the turkey tradition lives on. It's not just about the bird itself, but what it represents: unity, abundance, and the shared history of a nation. As we gather around the table this year, remember the turkey's journey from the wild to our plates and how it has helped shape our nation's story. The turkey isn't just a meal, it's a symbol of America's past, present, and future.